welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Esther, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when your girl uploads. So, in today's video, you guys, it is all about this soft, it's all about this soft summer glam, honey. Like, this is the most easiest makeup video you will possibly ever watch from me. Or even on YouTube. I feel like this was too easy, okay? Now you may ask, why is it so easy? Because, honey, like, there's not much to this look. I used 2 eyeshadows, but it looks like I used 1. I was going for more of a softer glam because it's the summer and I know it is hot as heck, okay? Indiana weather is just savage right now. It is hot and it's humid, and y'all know when it's hot and humid, your makeup is melting, your makeup looks funky, your makeup just looks So today I wanted just to show you guys a nice soft glam that you can rock at a date night, a night out with the girls, if you're going out for brunch, anything. You can use this look for anything. Now this video is sponsored by Juvias Place. Thank you so much, Juvias Place, for sponsoring this video. So that means I will be using a lot of products from Juvias Place to achieve this beautiful look. Okay, without further ado, y'all already know, grab yourself a snack, a tea, anything, get comfortable. I got my kombucha here. Okay, this is not the same one from last time. Okay, maybe it is. It's not. No, it is. It is the same one from last time. Second of all, y'all, let me just show y'all my beautiful dress. Like, look at this skin and look at this dress. Baby girl, this is just, giving you guys brown skin girl to the fullest today. Like, summer is just fun because, girl, I get my tan on, okay, and I just look like fire because the skin is just out and about. So let me stop playing, y'all. Grab yourself a snack, get comfortable, and let's play with some makeup. Alright, okay. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back. So I know it has been a hot minute since I've done a voiceover, you guys. Oh my gosh, but I just wanted to show you guys I've done my brows off camera just to save a little bit of time, and I'm gonna grab my Neutrogena Hydra Boost water gel because this is life. I have not used this in so long, so I kind of forgot how good it felt on my skin because my skin has gone back to being like crusty dry for some reason. So yeah, so this actually helps my skin. In case you have not tried this product out, give it a try, you guys, especially if you're dry skin. It is amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Laura Mercier Hydration Primer. This is my hands down favorite primer. Now, they did come out with like the pure canvas and stuff like that, but this is bomb, and I am waiting for Juvia's Place to drop a primer. Like, that is the only thing they need right now is a primer because, girl, I would have used the Juvia's Place primer, obviously, if I had it. If they even have one. But anyway, so I went ahead and just primed my face and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna grab a eye cream, and for that I'm gonna grab the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I've told you guys this many times. I usually grab an eye cream because I've realized when I wear eye cream, I mean, it's good for my under eye puffiness, dark circles and stuff, but it also really makes my under eye look really nice, especially when I apply concealer. I do not get as much creases as I used to when I have a nice eye cream base. So keep that in mind. If you want no creases underneath, try using like some eye creams and just, you know, track it and see if it works for you because it works for me. So for foundation, I am grabbing the Juvia's Place foundation stick. You guys, I love these so much. They're so creamy and they just glide on really, really well. And I'm in the shade Cameroon. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I have been getting my tan on, girl, okay? I've been laying out, getting my tan on, but every summer I get darker and I don't really care to buy a foundation shade that's my shade. I just over contour and just make sure it works. So that's what we gotta do here. Okay, because honey, we don't do that for me. It doesn't happen. So yeah, so I'm just applying this bad boy on. You guys see how creamy, how easy it is to glide onto my skin, and it just blends like a dream. You know, some foundations out there be a little bit drying, so it doesn't give you that like nice glow underneath the skin, and I just feel like this Juvia's Place foundation stick does that for me. It gives me a nice coverage and also gives me like a really nice glow underneath the skin. So now to conceal, I am going to grab, actually no, I'm gonna clean up my brows. I realized when I was doing my foundation routine, like, oh crap, I haven't done my brows yet, cleaned my brows with this concealer, and I am in the shade 10, and this is their Eye Magic Concealer. Bomb concealer. If you have not yet tried this concealer, I don't know what you're doing, because you will love it. The creaminess of this concealer is just out of this world. And you guys, Juvia's Place always has a sale. Oh my gosh, I mean, when do they not have a deal going on? So you can't say that Juvia's Place products are expensive, because they always have a deal going on. I kid you not, they probably have a 4th of July deal going on right now. I mean, come on. But I'm just going to blend that bad boy into the skin. And now I'm going to grab both concealers. I went ahead and just grabbed shade 10 and shade 15. I'm going to grab shade 15 and put that in the inner corner a little bit. And that's just going to brighten up my concealer a lot more. You guys know I love the brightness of my under eye. It just brightens up my day, my life, and my whole face, okay? Because under eye for me needs to look awake and alive. So I do grab that shade 15 just a little bit. Just a little bit, like just that is actually too much in my opinion, but it was good enough. Oh, let's take a kombucha break, drink. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just blend that bad boy into my skin. Love this concealer. It blends like a dream. It just glides on like a dream, and it is amazing. So freaking bomb. But I'm just gonna blend that all in with my beauty blender like so. So now it is time to contour, and I'm just going to grab that shade Skoto. Now this is the Juvia's Place foundation sticks, and that's the reason why I actually like them, because you can highlight, contour, and is a foundation as well, obviously. Now I don't highlight with it because I prefer their liquid concealer. It's so nice, especially for the eye. I love something more creamy and just more smooth, okay? But don't get me wrong, the foundation stick is still smooth, but you know, I like my liquids more, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and just blend that in like so. You guys have seen me blend my contour into my skin so much. I mean, but then look at this, okay? Look how buttery it just, girl, okay, there's nothing more satisfying than watching myself blend my foundation and contour into my skin, because of how buttery it just melts into my skin, y'all. Oh, I just love it. So I am grabbing a beauty blender just to make sure everything is blended very, very well. Now I'm going to grab the Juvia's Place setting powder. This setting powder is hands down fire. And this is in the shade, I think, Kalahari, if I'm not mistaken. But also I will leave all the details in the description box, so definitely make sure you check that out and the links. So I'm going to just set everywhere that I highlighted so my concealer does not move. It doesn't go nowhere. Okay, I would highly recommend you guys to set as soon as possible. And before you set, grab your beauty blender and just blend one more time before you set. So I'm gonna grab the blush palette and just grab that nice, like a little bit of a darker red, because they don't have a contour palette. I just use the blush palette just to contour and set all around, especially now for the summer. It looks more nicer like that. I do use this in the winter too, but I prefer in the summer because it gives me more of like this nice bronzy look on my skin. So now I'm gonna also grab the blush palette and go ahead and grab that orange. This is my hands down favorite orange blush that I love using so much. It's so nice, it's pigment, and you guys see that color? It just glides on so nice. It looks so pretty. Oh, I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Warrior eyeshadow palette and just work that eyeshadow into my skin. I told y'all this is just 2 eyeshadows for this look, nothing major. I just grabbed Kano, I think it's Kano. You guys, I don't have the palette next to me, so I'm just kind of guessing. So I grabbed Kano and I put that all over my eyelid, and I'm also going to grab Cinnamon and just work that into my eyelid as well. But working these 2 eyeshadows together, they look similar, but once I put it on my eyelid, it just, you know, kind of darken it up a little bit. That's why I call it like a nice summer soft glam look, because it's so soft, it's not doing too much, and you can definitely rock this for a night out or during the day, and you just look really, really nice without adding so much color all over your eyelid. So I'm just blending it all like so you guys can see up close and personal how it looks. So I'm also going to go back into that Warrior palette and grab that gold shimmer eyeshadow and just pop that in the inner corner of my eye to just brighten up the look. And yes, I know this clip is kind of blurry, but I'm gonna come close a little bit, and then the blur is gonna go away right here. And then, yeah, there you go. There you go. That camera was focusing in my back. But now I'm just gonna highlight, and I am grabbing the Juvia's Place Royal 2 loose highlighter and just, oh my gosh, I'm mumbling, and I'm just going to highlight all the points that I normally highlight, okay? My brow bone. I normally don't highlight my brow bone because this look is so simple. I feel like highlighting the brow bone makes a lot of sense, and it just makes the look so freaking nice, okay? And I'm also gonna pop that highlight on my nose. So now it is time for the lips. Now for the lips, I have to do it, okay? Because there's a lot of liquid lipsticks and lip glosses on their website that is sold out. The only ones that I have, it's like a red or the Juvias Place X Fumi Royalty, or the other one, I forgot what the other one is called. I forgot. But y'all, this gloss, okay, this gloss is fire. I've talked about this on my channel several times. Like, this gloss is it. It's so pretty. It's glossy, and it's just bomb, hands freaking down. So y'all, I'm gonna set everything up with this Morphe setting mist, and this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and change you guys, and here is the finished look. Love it. I hope you guys create this look. It's something so simple. It's not even something to create. It's something to just apply on your face and head out the door, okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll pen sana, and thank you for watching.